my baby to hide your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time. With you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time.
Hey yo, what's good YouTube, man? It's your boy. Hey, today guys, I'm going to pick up my long distance relationship girlfriend. Hey, and I'm very late, guys. For sure she's mad, so make sure, man, you like the video, comment, share and subscribe. Let's get it. Hey Samantha.
Hey guys.
Let's say guys. Hey guys, what's
Hi.
My baby to hide your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time. Me to hide your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine.
Yeah, so guys, this is called Between Me and My Partner. So we got questions, we got questions here. So we will ask each other. Obviously, izokala kimi or ladies first. Izokala kuwena. Siyabuzana. Like same question.
Oh, same question.
Yeah, same question. Because we got few questions, guys, for you also. Please make sure you subscribe, man. Make sure you subscribe.
Hit that notification bell
to get notified. Okay, yeah. Shut up. And what?
Next.
Okay, so first question, number one is, when did you start dating?
Dates.
When did you start dating?
You don't like that.
How we started dating, 13 March 2025. When?
Yeah.
Okay, so who said I love you first? I think this one is obvious. Okay guys, yeah, obviously, I have to say I love you because I really do. So who loves hey, I love this question. Who loves kissing? Who loves kissing? Pendu.
Sweet.
Uba nuthanda kakhulu. Okay. Another question is, okay, buza nawe phela. Buza number.
Oh, ngithonga iphuthuba.
Maskis.
Okay, who loves cuddling?
We.
I do.
Yeah, we.
Who's the best kisser?
Uba, ngifuna ukuyazi.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I think he's a really good kisser, guys.
Who's tall? Yo, guys.
We have the same height.
We have the same height,
Yeah,
guys.
like exactly the same height.
Yeah, we have. Yeah. As you can see, everywhere we have the same height.
Who's short? I get caught short.
Again.
Like Sally. No. Who's older? Him.
Him, I'm telling you.
Him.
Who's shy? She's shy, guys. Like, she's too much. Even if when in front of people, in front of Pangwabantu, she's very shy, guys. Usaba nokuthatha ithombe cabanga. Usaba nokuthatha ithombe Pangwabantu nje. Okay.
Who's talkative? I think we both are. Yeah.
We are.
Like me, I'm only talkative around being comfortable.
So we should say comfortable now.
Yeah.
Because they are cool,
yeah, like it. I said to me,
Izwakala phela evidweni. Elizwakala.
Angizwakali.
Angazi. Mara
Lizwakala,
sizoyizwa
guys,
ivideo okay,
ngiyizwa.
sizoyizwa. Who loves jokes? Uwe. Hayi.
Like mina ngihlale ngihleka.
Okay, yeah, uhlala uhleka. Mara uba nohleza wayenza.
Wayenza ehleka mina.
Okay, hayi.
Angazi.
Niyayithola
Yeah.
mara niyayithola. Niyayithola, I hope niyayithola.
Who's moody? I'm not moody.
I'm not moody too. There's no one
Yeah.
moody.
None of us are.
Yeah.
Who's short-tempered?
Hey. Okay, guys, I was supposed to pick her up now. So what happened is that uthi uzongifonela ne masekafika makafika kasangifoneli uthi network angazi wada
Guys, before like ungifonele before ngifika. And then ngamtshela ukuthi sengizofika. Okay, I'm sure ukuthi sengizofika. Mara ngishilo ngathi yazi phuma manje because I'm sure by the time mina
so phone ngizozo.
yeah.
Hayi guys, mina ngilindi call. Ngalindi call umuntu khana marazi ku right. Who's the cry baby? We. Uyakhala.
Makaze ngibonisa mara. If
Angaboni ukhala mara I cry baby. You can tell guys, and you can see ukuthi who's the cry baby here. So let me see. Who's more stingy? Akekho stingy yazini. Akekho. Unless I know ukuthi stingy, maybe mina ngazi
he's
stingy.
not.
Oh. Okay. So who's light in complexion? Hey, yellow bone.
No, guys, mina
Yellow
ngiyafana
bone.
uthi yellow bone and then
Mina ngikhanyiswa light when uyakhanya.
nami ngiyangisa
Igama lakho
Kush
ukhanyisile.
is fine.
Igama lakho ukhanyisile.
Who's the phone addict?
Hayi masi2 akekho ayikho ifoni.
Mara mangithi manginayi I don't use my phone. But I can say mina as in I am.
Phone addict. Still kahle nje lesiqobo.
Oh, okay. Who loves music more? I think it's him. Me. Wawusho kanjani? Mina ngoma ngiyazimamela but like
Not jam.
yeah.
Mina ngisimamela kanjani?
Uyalithanda uyayenza futhi. Who's more active?
Okay, who's more active? Uba no active yimi. Une energy ngiyafaka.
No, I'm not.
Okay, we both do. Yeah, we both do. It's low. It's like disconnect sometimes. Those guys, it's because you don't subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button and comment and subscribe. They see.
Who's more handsome or beautiful than the other?
Oh, umoya. Yabona mina ngisase ku level 5. Yena ku level 7.
Why you level 7? Oh, level 7.
Yeah, tina ku level 7.
Oh.
Angithi that's the
Sikole.
yeah, okay. 100% yena muhle 99.9.9. Yabo mina ngimuhle uma angazi angikumuhle.
His or her initials. Yo. Okay.
Okay. KK. So it's KK.
Yes.
Unelinika.
No.
Yeah, okay. I'm okay
Our
now.
full
Names.
names.
Khanyisile.
Kopano. Our birth dates.
I'm a birthdays. Okay, let me start. Upetea. Ubani manje? Upetea ngoMeyi. Ngiyi-15. Yeah,
Kopano wase sikhathi singakuphendula.
ngisacabanga. I'm not good with birthdays.
4 August.
Seriously.
I didn't even hesitate.
Like guys, I'm not good with birthdays. So
But it's understandable.
okay. Another question. This is payable or money. This is Sibele. Yeah, I'm not feeling now. Okay, now we're about to ask each other horrible questions, ne? Horrible, I like this one.
They're not really horrible, yes.
Yeah, they are not, but they... Okay, it's long sex is correct. Okay, let me ask you the first question. Okay. Do you have a good relationship with your parents?
I do. It's okay. It's not good, but it's like...
That's nice. That's nice. You can ask.
Who did you last say I love you to?
To you, obviously. I just said I love her because I love her. I really love her, guys. So, okay, do you regret anything?
Yes, I do regret something.
What do you regret?
Like, zini izinto ezenzakalayo guys, nani ngiyazi past.
Oh.
Yes, like ukuthi ngathi lento le ngizange ngiyenze.
Okay, so
are you insecure?
Nah, I'm not. Am I insecure?
Like ngivuma ukuthi right mawusho.
I'm not insecure.
Shouldn't be.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be.
What is your relationship status? This is obvious, guys.
Okay.
This is obvious. It will end up in marriage. No, so
how do you want to die?
I just wanna sleep.
And don't wake up.
Yeah, don't ever wake up. That's how I want to die. So what did you last eat?
Me love my carrots.
Okay, hey guys, yeah, so let me just ask you some few questions now. What do you look for in a guy? Basically,
yo, that guy's like, I'm not asking for a lot. I'm assuming my expectations are high, but like, entirely be honest, be loyal. Show me attention, like, you know, guys, make me feel
like you're the one.
Yes.
Shout out. So, what are your green flags?
A guy who knows how to communicate.
Okay.
Or
I was like yours.
Yes.
Like I'm a green flag.
Wow. Okay, Mina. Yo.
Wow, like you is kind of sweet.
Simbo. Like, like I'm
okay.
loyal.
Okay. What are your red flags there? Let's skip that one.
I'm short-tempered, like me, and I'm an overthinker.
So, Melumuta feel as like you feel understandable. What happened in your last relationship? What happened? I wanna know.
You wanna know? Guys, a lot happened, Shemu.
What happened?
A lot.
In details, like for maybe for a minute. Oh, my
guys, I was just dating this guy, and for about 2 years. And it was a hell of 2 years.
How?
Guys, like ungilile. Like like everywhere la yakhona yena ngathi nje ngabamba nomajola cabanga on stage guys because I was hoping ukuthi uzoshintsha abone ukuthi ngimthanda but then sikhathini sihamba ngabona ukuthi
she's not for you. Bengiseza incedile mara le parankatela. So do you have any hobbies? Yes.
It's not a hobby, it's a hobby.
I don't know. Do you have hobbies now?
No, I don't have hobbies, guys.
So, she's not single, so I'm gonna skip this question. So, what's your type? Okay. Are you a good kisser? Okay. Ngiphe ama question ayi 3 awakho for me.
Oh, for me. Okay. Yini lento le like attracting above
ubuhle nani ile ngqondo. Okay guys, ne yabona uma uthola umuntu ne uyayumtest before umshela or anything, umsearch ufuna ukubona ukuthi ingqondo yakhe injani, yabo. So unengqondo hlakaniphile too much and uyazazi ufunani ne. So umuntu ozaziyo ukuthi ufunani onengqondo plus ke ubuhle ibonus, yabo. Ubuhle ke sekuyibonus. So usitholela umuntu ohlakaniphile, umuntu intelligent, uzoba right. And
okay, what are your green flags?
my green flags?
Yeah.
That I love too much. Yeah, I love too much. When I'm in love, I'm a good. Not to say I'm a lover boy. No, I'm a lover boy. And what my green flags is that Mangjola, I tend to give people money like Abantu Nji, not my girlfriend. Cause I'm happy, like
Hey, bro,
let me just bless you, Tata.
Hey, bro, guys, go find me a cool now. Look, I want to marry Nji.
Hey, because I'm happy, and
Pamina.
okay, I'm a do that. Last question. Oh, it's on the man. Open eye, it's okay. Ask you, last
Need to sabi.
Oh, no.
Need to sabi.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Yeah, boom, zona malwell. Okay, I see it.
Okay, guys, last question. Oh, what's something you don't like about me? Manje, like you think it's just something like a
Yeah, let me give food. Guys, abangani.
Yeah, man.
Abangani, yabona abangani bazosimoshela into esinayo nawe. Yeah, no book nasumngane wakho, but like you tend to listen to her over me.
I know.
Why are you doing that?
Mama, I didn't say it. I need to know why. You know what happened.
Yeah, I know what happened, but guys, abangani and to protect your relationship or for the sake of everything.
Okay.
Don't involve your friends in your relationship. Yeah, mina.
And
Kiss, guys. Kiss.
so